Imagine a world 66 million years ago, a time when the Earth was vastly different from what we know today. This is the late Cretaceous period, a time when dinosaurs ruled the Earth with unparalleled dominance. These magnificent creatures were everywhere, from the lush, dense forests to the arid, dry deserts, adapting to every environment. Giant herds of herbivorous dinosaurs roamed the land in search of food, creating a spectacle of nature's grandeur. Among them, the Triceratops, with their iconic three horns and large frills, grazed peacefully on ferns and other vegetation. Nearby, the duck-billed hadrosaurs, known for their unique crests, munched on leaves, contributing to the diverse ecosystem. The ground would tremble as massive sauropods, like the colossal Argentinosaurus, lumbered through the trees, their sheer size a testament to nature's wonders. But these gentle giants were not alone. They shared their world with fearsome predators, always lurking, always hunting. The most formidable of them all was the Tyrannosaurus rex, the apex predator of its time, stalking its prey with unmatched ferocity and power. Smaller, but no less deadly, were the velociraptors. These cunning hunters worked in packs, using their intelligence and speed to take down prey. Above the land, the skies were dominated by pterosaurs. With their enormous wingspans, they soared gracefully, surveying the world below. The oceans, too, were teeming with life, a vibrant underwater world full of wonders. Giant marine reptiles like the fearsome mosasaurs and the long-necked plesiosaurs ruled the seas, their presence a reminder of the ocean's might. Among them, the ammonites, with their beautifully intricate spiral shells, were abundant, adding to the rich tapestry of marine life. This was a world at its peak, a vibrant tapestry of life where every creature, big or small, played a crucial role in the ecosystem. It was a time of giants, a testament to the incredible diversity and adaptability of life on Earth. The Cretaceous period was a time of great change, spanning from about 145 to 66 million years ago. It was an era marked by significant geological and climatic shifts that would shape the future of our planet. The continents, once joined together in a supercontinent called Pangaea, were drifting apart. This monumental shift in the Earth's crust led to the formation of the continents as we know them today. This had a profound impact on the Earth's climate, altering weather patterns and creating new environmental conditions. The breakup of Pangaea caused changes in ocean currents and atmospheric circulation. Sea levels rose and fell, creating new coastlines and changing ocean currents. These fluctuations in sea level were driven by both tectonic activity and climatic changes, leading to the formation of shallow inland seas. Volcanoes erupted frequently during this period, spewing ash and gases into the atmosphere. These volcanic activities contributed to the greenhouse effect, trapping heat and causing the Earth's temperature to rise. The Earth was slowly warming and the climate was becoming more extreme. This warming trend led to the development of lush tropical environments in many regions, supporting a diverse array of plant and animal life. These changes put pressure on the dinosaurs, the dominant terrestrial vertebrates of the time. They had to cope with shifting habitats and fluctuating food sources, which required significant adaptability. They had to adapt to new environments and new food sources. Some dinosaurs evolved specialized features to exploit new niches, while others migrated to more favorable areas. Some species thrived in these changing conditions, while others struggled to survive. The ability to adapt quickly often determined which species would continue to flourish and which would face extinction. But despite these challenges, the dinosaurs continued to rule the Earth. They dominated the landscape, from the towering sauropods to the fearsome theropods, showcasing their resilience and adaptability. They were the most successful animals the planet had ever seen, inhabiting a wide range of ecosystems and displaying incredible diversity in form and function. They had no way of knowing that their time was running out. The Cretaceous period would eventually come to a dramatic end, but for now, the dinosaurs reigned supreme, unaware of the impending catastrophe that would change the course of life on Earth forever. Then, 66 million years ago, everything changed. An asteroid, a massive rock from outer space, slammed into the Earth. The impact occurred in the Yucatan Peninsula in what is now Mexico. The asteroid, estimated to be about 6 miles wide, struck with the force of 1 billion atomic bombs. The impact released a catastrophic amount of energy, instantly vaporizing the asteroid and a vast area of the Earth's crust. The impact sent shockwaves rippling around the globe. Earthquakes of unimaginable magnitude rocked the planet. Tsunamis, towering walls of water, surged across continents, drowning everything in their path. The impact also triggered volcanic eruptions on a global scale. The Earth's surface was transformed into a scene of unimaginable devastation. The impact ejected billions of tons of molten rock and superheated dust into the atmosphere. This debris rained down upon the Earth, igniting wildfires that raged across continents. The sky turned red with the flames, and the air became thick with smoke and ash. The fires released huge amounts of carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases into the atmosphere, further warming the planet. The impact also vaporized rock containing sulfates. These sulfates form tiny droplets of sulfuric acid in the upper atmosphere. These droplets reflected sunlight back into space, blocking out the sun and plunging the Earth into a global winter. The impact had catastrophic consequences for life on Earth. The sun's rays were blocked out by the dust and soot in the atmosphere. The Earth was plunged into darkness and temperatures plummeted. Photosynthesis, the process by which plants use sunlight to produce energy, ground to a halt. Plants withered and died, depriving herbivores of their food source. As the herbivores perished, so too did the carnivores that depended on them. The food chain collapsed, sending shockwaves through the entire ecosystem. Section 6. The Great Dying. The KPG extinction event, as it is known, was one of the most severe mass extinctions in Earth's history. An estimated 75% of all plant and animal species were wiped out. The dinosaurs, which had ruled the planet for over 180 million years, were among the victims. But the extinction was not limited to dinosaurs. Pterosaurs, the flying reptiles, also disappeared. In the oceans, the giant marine reptiles such as mosasaurs and plesiosaurs perished. Ammonites, the shelled cephalopods that had thrived for millions of years, vanished from the seas. The KPG extinction event marked the end of an era. Section 7. A new world emerges. The world that emerged from the ashes of the KPG extinction event was a very different place. The dinosaurs were gone, along with countless other species. But from the ashes of this catastrophe, new life arose. Mammals, which had lived in the shadows of the dinosaurs for millions of years, were able to diversify and evolve. They filled the ecological niches left vacant by the extinction of the dinosaurs. Birds, the feathered descendants of dinosaurs, also survived the extinction event. They too diversified and evolved, eventually giving rise to the incredible variety of birds we see today. The KPG extinction event may have been a time of great loss, but it was also a time of great opportunity. Section 8. The legacy of the dinosaurs. The dinosaurs may be gone, but their legacy lives on. Their fossils, preserved in rocks around the world, provide us with a glimpse into a lost world. By studying these fossils, scientists have been able to piece together the story of the dinosaurs, from their humble beginnings to their dramatic demise. The KPG extinction event is a stark reminder of the power of nature and the fragility of life. It teaches us that even the most successful species can be wiped out in an instant. But it also teaches us that life is resilient, and that new life can emerge from even the most devastating catastrophes. Section 9. The KPG event, a turning point in Earth's history. This event, also known as the Cretaceous-Paleogene extinction event, occurred approximately 66 million years ago and is one of the most significant events in Earth's geological history. The KPG extinction event was a pivotal moment in Earth's history. It was triggered by a massive asteroid impact that created a crater over 180 kilometers in diameter, releasing energy equivalent to billions of atomic bombs. It marked the end of the Mesozoic era, the age of reptiles, which had lasted for over 180 million years. Dinosaurs, which had dominated the planet, suddenly vanished, leaving behind only their fossilized remains, and the beginning of the Cenozoic era, the age of mammals. This new era saw the rise of mammals, which had previously lived in the shadows of the giant reptiles. It was a time of great upheaval and change, with volcanic eruptions, wildfires and tsunamis reshaping the landscape. The skies darkened with ash and soot, leading to a dramatic drop in global temperatures. But it was also a time of great opportunity. With the dinosaurs gone, mammals began to adapt and thrive in the new environments, filling ecological niches that had been left vacant. The extinction of the dinosaurs paved the way for the rise of mammals, allowing them to diversify and evolve into a wide range of species, from tiny shrews to massive mammoths, ultimately leading to the evolution of our own species. Humans, along with countless other species, owe their existence to the opportunities created by this mass extinction event. The KPG extinction event is a reminder that our planet is a dynamic and ever-changing place. It highlights the fragility of life and the interconnectedness of all living things. It is a story of both destruction and renewal, of loss and opportunity. The end of one era marked the beginning of another, showcasing the resilience and adaptability of life on Earth. It is a story that continues to unfold today, as the evolutionary journey that began millions of years ago still shapes the diversity of life we see around us. As we face the challenges of a changing climate and a planet under pressure, the lessons from the KPG event remind us of the importance of understanding and protecting our environment to ensure the survival of future generations.